Hello food lovers, welcome to Tasty Trails, the ultimate kitchen where flavors come alive. My name is Chinaza, your home chef, a food enthusiast, and a kitchen bestie. On this channel, I will be sharing my passion for cooking with you. And hey, we're turning up the heat as I take you on a mouth-watering journey through the best of both world's rich, flavorful African traditional dishes and classic, comforting English favorites. From sizzling jollof rice to hearty Sunday roasts, from smoky grilled suya to creamy fish and chips, you know what? I've got you covered. I will be sharing my secret cooking tips and hacks, simple and delicious recipes passed down through generations so you can recreate and level up your cooking game. And guess what? I want you to be part of this flavorful adventure. Drop a comment, let me know what recipes you would love to see in this channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because trust me, you wouldn't want to miss what's cooking next. Today we are kicking off with plantain porridge as our first dish on this channel. So grab your apron and let's turn plantains into pure magic. Welcome to Tasty Trails, where every dish tells a story. Let's make your story unforgettable. Follow me.
A culinary storm, put your mind at ease. From souffle to street snacks in the wild, every bite turns an ordinary mile. Like a midnight dream, but a sizzle, life's a kitchen scheme. A sprinkle of flair, a dash of style, cooking magic that makes them smile. Tasty trails, oh follow my spark. Flavors twisting, lighting up the dark. From pan to plate, watch the vibe unveil. Celebrity chef leaving a tasty trail. Whisk it fast, feel the rhythms beat. Spices dancing like fire on the street. You can taste the love in every slice, creating joy with a pinch of spice.